This Coldwell Banker Associated Brokers Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Kruse-Lenz. Fantastic ranch home in Whispering Creek, custom-built one-of-a-kind floor plan. The views from the deck and Four Seasons room are incredible. Rounded walls with crown molding. Stone gas range, stone fireplace. High-end custom cabinets, granite countertops. Huge island for meals and entertaining. This home has beautiful hardwood floors, formal living room, main floor family room, open concept dining room. Custom wood doors throughout. A four-season room that has wall-to-wall windows with a panoramic view. Main floor office with French doors. Master suite has a huge bath with dual vanities, walk-in tile shower, soaker tub and a private stool area. 2 more bedrooms on the main level with a 4-piece bath. The lower level has grand windows for a perfect view of the yard. Sliders to a patio. Family room, full kitchen /bar with granite countertops, custom cabinets and tile backsplash. 2 more bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a private theater room. The backyard has a fire pit area and access to a golf cart garage. This house has it all. For more information,